So how much lithium?
185.
Okay. Look under the hood. Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. On 1 amp.
12 on 1 amp.
All right. Wow.
Wired down to 0.5.
Okay. Wow. Who built this?
That'd be me and Ryan.
Ryan. Okay. This looks good. What made you do inverted instead of regular for this chamber fan pass?
Just so that way all the air could keep the subs cooled.
Okay. And you added this to lower your tuning?
Yep.
Okay.
Because we were at 47, and once we added that in, it dropped it down to around 32.
Okay. Sweet. Do you know your sealed section per sub or total at all? That's a hard question.
Ryan, what's the seal on this one? What's the seal? 12.6 on each side.
12.6, okay. Nice. Wow, that's a big box. So it's around a 1-to-1 ratio? What's your ratio, like 1-to-1 roughly, or negative?
1 to 1.5.
1.5, okay. Looks good. So is the sealed is smaller?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sealed on each side. Sealed on this side.
12, 6, so 25, 35-ish.
So we're looking at roughly around 21, 22 cubes on seal.
Okay. Okay.
And it's actually 25 or around 36 on
36, wow. Okay. Man, y'all got a big boat. You're built in this vehicle. That's a lot of work. Nice. Okay. Pretty impressive to see you fit 12 subwoofers on one amplifier.
One JP83.
Yeah, that's what he said. Yeah. What's your impedance ending up at after all of those amps, all that subs wired to the 1 amp? What's your impedance on it?
Resonance, the ohm load?
Yeah.
It says 0.67.
0.67. Wow. Okay. All right. Yeah, I'm looking forward to hearing this. Awesome. Efficiency is what you can tell out of it, I'm sure. All right.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry for the questions. I'm just excited and I like to know everything.
Oh, yeah.
And you got your speaker pot, little mid-bass and tweeter right here on the side of the B-pillar. Any kind of SPL tests?
Not yet.
Not yet, okay. Well, the seat can be removed.
It is. So the factory seats would not fit.
No.
So we took them out and
all right.
I went and bought Honda Civic seats.
Okay. And the cone area is king, is a proven fact with this system. I'm sure you're probably going to add power. You got to.
Yeah, we're planning on next year dropping another 2 JP83s in here.
Yeah.
It's still far from finished. We got a lot of work.
Oh, yeah.
Still working on it.
Nice job. Nice to meet you. Can I see the back?
Yep.
Oh, awesome. Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
She put him out like the burning end of a midnight cigarette. She broke his heart. He She tried to hide the whiskey on her breath. Watched him drink his pain away. The lifetime, but he never could get drunk enough. He put that bottle.
Those subs are seeing but maybe 300 to 500 watts each broken down between that.
Yeah.
And the cone area is king is a proven fact with this system. So good job. I appreciate the demo. And I'm sure you're probably going to add power. You got to. I don't know
we're
otherwise.
planning on next year dropping another two JP83s in here.
Yeah.
It's still far from finished. We got a lot of work.
Oh, yeah.